Monkey and Crocodile. Monkey lived in a fine fruit tree by the side of a river. He spent his days eating the fruit of the tree and swinging in its branches. One day, Crocodile took rest under the tree. Monkey greeted Crocodile, saying, "As you are under my tree, that makes you my guest. Allow me to offer you fruit." Monkey tossed down fruit after sweet fruit to Crocodile. Crocodile visited Monkey's tree each day after day. One day, Crocodile asked Monkey to cross the river with him for dinner. He called up to Monkey, "Please join me. I should have invited you sooner." "I'd love to come," Monkey said, "but I can't swim. How, sh- how shall I cross How shall I cross the river?" "Please take a ride on my back," Crocodile said. "It would be my pleasure." "The pleasure is all mine," said Monkey. His he left his safe tree and climbed onto Crocodile's back. They set out across the river. "What, may I ask, is for dinner?" Monkey asked. By this time, the two were halfway across the river. Since it was now impossible, impossible for Monkey to escape, Crocodile told him the truth. "You are for dinner, my furry little friend. I am taking you home to eat you." The monkey was scared to death. His heart boomed in his chest, but he kept his wits about him. "In that case," Monkey said, "let me fetch my heart. Of all my parts, it tastes the best, but I've left it back in my tree." "Oh yes," Crocodile agreed. "Please fetch your heart." Crocodile turned and swam back to Monkey's tree. As soon as they reached the river bank, Monkey jumped off the plank out of reach. He laughed down at Crocodile. "Crocodile," he called, "my big scaly friend, I won't be coming tonight for dinner." Crocodile was angry and ashamed. He knew then that Monkey had outsmarted him. From that day forward, monkeys have never trusted crocodiles.